How to remove a YouTube video. First thing you need to do, open YouTube. And then you have to go into your account. It's called Innhold in Norwegian. There is all your videos you have made. Video in long form, short, if you made a short video. And then you take mark it like this. Go to the three dots, alternative, and Slett forgot is remove forever. You understand it's gonna be permanent. You take that one and you take remove for good. And that's how you remove a YouTube video. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.